Hey everybody, this is Kraig, and I just wanted to talk a little bit today about some different tomato varieties. So when people come into our stores and people are picking out tomatoes, one of the things we want to look at is the plant going to be a bush variety that is known as a determinate tomato, or is it a vine variety that is indeterminate? Now the difference is that determinate bush varieties, they grow to a smaller size. They produce all their fruit at about the same amount of time. Once you harvest that plant's done. It's really done for the year. A determinate type is best for if you want a bunch of yield at once. Maybe you're going to be canning or something and you want them all at once. And also if you were going to be growing them in pots, they don't need as much soil room because the plants don't get as big. Vine types grow and produce until they die. They will grow and grow and grow. You're going to need a big cage or to stake them. You're going to need a bigger area. Not as well suited to a pot, though if you do them in a pot, you want a very substantial sized pot. So those are your differences between that. And you want to look at the back of a tag of your tomato tags. If you look at the tag, it's going to tell you right on there if it's determinate or indeterminate. The other question I get a lot is how much sun do we need for our tomato plants? And the truth is that all tomatoes need full sun, but some tomatoes need more full sun than others. And so the way you can think about this is the smaller varieties. Think like this is a Juliet. It's a grape tomato, very small, small size, or maybe a yellow pear, or a sun gold, or a sweet 100, a little tomato. Those are going to need less sun than the big ones. The bigger the fruit is, the more sun that plant needs. Now, what do we mean when we say full sun? You might hear the term, this is a full sun plant. That's not a full sun plant. Full sun really generally means something like 6 hours or more sun a day is what is considered full sun. Anything less than that is part shade, or even if it's really no sun at all, maybe it would be shade. So full sun plants, so say if you have 6 hours of sun a day, you might want to plant a cherry tomato and it would do fine. If you plant a big beefsteak with 6 hours of sun a day, it's not going to do so well. So remember that. The bigger the tomato plant is, or the bigger the fruit will be, the more sun you need to ripen that plant. If there's any more questions you guys have and want me to address some more things maybe about tomato plants, you can leave that in the comments and we will maybe make another video.